Looking for a powerful solution to split PST files? If yes, then download the BitRecover PST Splitter Wizard. Let's see how the software works. Read all the guidelines carefully, and click on the Next button. Here we have two options to select the data, such as, Convert configured Outlook mailbox data. This option will automatically locate the file. And with other option, let me select my Outlook mailbox data. With this option, you can manually select your data, with two other options, which is, Select Folder. If you want to choose the folder, then select this option. If you want to select the file, then move to the Select Files options. Select the files, and click on the Open button. The exact down below, there is, Use Recovery Mode options. If you have a corrupted file, then select this option to split the corrupted file. Now click on the Next button. Here you can see the folder hierarchy. Select the folders to split. Then click on the Next button. This window comes with 5 split options. Start with Split and extract selected folders in a single PST file. This option will make a single PST file of the resultant file. Split and extract selected folders in multiple PST files. This option will make individual PST files of each selected folder. Split by date. Click here. You can select the date, and filter the resultant file through the date range. And click on the Next button. Split by size. You can select the resultant file size with given options. And the last option, Split by email ID. You can filter the resultant file through the email IDs, through, to and, from fields. You can choose any one of these options to filter the data. Now we split the results with Split by date option. Click on the Split Options button to get more options. Now let's split the file with the Split by date range option. With this option, you can select the specific date, year or month, according to filter the data. Now in with from and to fields, you can enter the email address to split. Same as with the subject field, enter the details and required field. Size. If your resultant file is large in size, you can split the files into 2, 5, 10, and 20 GB. Separate PST per user, if you want to create an individual PST for each user. Next option is, Export only selected Outlook items. In this option, the software will split only the selected options, such as mails, calendars, and contacts. Create error log. This option will make a report, in case there are any files will not split. This option will make the complete error report. Then click on the Next button. Now click on the Browse button to locate the resultant PST files. Click on the OK button. Then for the final move, click on the Split button. Pop-ups come with PST split successfully. Click on the OK button. Here you have a log report. This report shows the complete details of the PST file, such as the number of files and the number of files split, file path, and the status of the results. Here is the result.